be teaching you how to make a thumbnail for this video. So first, go to roblox.com, click create. Now you go click create new experience. Now you wait. Wait a bit. Should pop up. And first you go to click new. Click base plastic base plate. There's 2 plugins that you need to install. I'm gonna put that in the description down below. So you need to first click load character. Now type your username. Now you click spawn R15. Now your avatar is right here. You can see it. Now you need to use the moon animator. So click moon animator. You click this. You click file. Click new animation. And you name it something like thumbnail. And confirm. Now you go click plus. Now you click on your avatar and click OK. Now you can just drag this away. You could move your hands just like design your avatar. It's better than the regular version because it's easier to control it. So you should try to use it. Now you can go design your character. So just move a little bit your hands and you're done. Just go click this. Go here, workspace. You click your name, your username. Now you right click it. Click export selection. Now you just go and find whatever. Just save it in somewhere. Just click save. Or you want to name it first. So thumbnail. So save it now. Now you could close this. So just save this. So you could edit it next time if you want a new thumbnail. Now you need to go to here. You need to go back to your what you just downloaded on your computer. Now you need to right click it. Remember, it should say .obj at last. Now you right click it. Click show more options. Then you see open with. Now you click 3D viewer. Or you just need to download this. I'll link this in the description below. Now you could just like the lighting, you could design it too. So I'm gonna just choose the lighting. That's it. Like around like this. So just mess with it by yourself, or you don't need to copy me. Now just click export image. Now make sure it's a PNG, whatever you like over here. I'll choose this. Make sure you take the transparency and you need to untick the render shadows. After that, you click export. Now just save it again. You can close this now. Basically, you could go to canva.com. It's basically a website that you could design a thumbnail. Now you click YouTube thumbnail over here. We click uploads. Click upload files. Now you just go back to the file that you just downloaded, like the PNG. Just go open it and it should pop up right here. Now you click it, should pop up over here. Now you need the background of your thumbnail. So I'll go link the background of the thumbnail. You could just go download it in the description. Just click open. After you download it, just click it and open it. Now you could just stretch the thumbnail. Stretch it out perfectly here. Now you just get back to your avatar, and now you could make it bigger. Oopsies, my antivirus something just popped up. And now you can make this even bigger. Hold on, okay. Make this even bigger. Now you could add some text. Like this. Now say how. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. How do I delete this? How to make a thumbnail. Just talk about what does your video talk about. To add it, to make it bigger. To move it. Oopsies, accidentally moved my thumbnail with the background. Put it back up. To move this, to stretch it to make it bigger, something. Whatever you like. Alright, now you could add like a font. Like you go here. I personally like using Luckiest Guy. Now you could highlight it, choose like this how to, and you could choose a color. Just like this. Then it will highlight how to. Now you want to like highlight make a thumbnail. Go back to typing mode. Now you highlight it, click this color. Now you could choose any color you want. I will choose yellow over here. I will also choose this as blue. Maybe I'll add this. How about like this? That's way better. Just like Roblox Bed Wars is this. Oopsies, did it on accident. Oops. Okay. Now click color again. Go find yellow. Any yellow you want. I'll just make it very bright. That's basically it. I will personally make it bigger because you could see it better. Now you just click file. You click download. Now you click PNG over here. Now you just click download. That's it. It should pop up a download down here. Now after that you could open it and check it was nice. Now you could upload it to YouTube. So this is it. I'll link the websites down in the description box. All these plugins and the background, I'll link it down below. So see ya in the next video.